Good morning, students. It's me, Dakshina, again with my next video. The topic is reverence, Shraddha. The feeling of acceptance or excellence in other is called reverence. We understand that we aspire for continuous happiness, and to realize it, we have to understand harmony at all the levels of our living and live accordingly. When we see that the other has achieved this excellence, which means to understand and to live in harmony at all the levels of living, ensuring continuity of happiness, we have a feeling of reverence for him or her. Glory. Gaurav. Each one of us wants to live with continuous happiness and prosperity. Each one of us has the similar faculty of natural acceptance, has the same goal and program, and we have the same potential to realize this. Glory is the feeling for someone who has made efforts for excellence. We find that there have been people in the history or even around us who are investing their time, energy, and their belongings to achieve excellence, to make others excellence. This gives us a feeling of glory, them. Gratitude, Kritagyata. We understand that each one of us have goal of continuous happiness and prosperity. Each one of us has to work towards increasing our competence to realize our intention, and in this process we are helped and guided by others that have the right understanding. When we understand this and begin to recognize the feeling in ourselves, we feel gratitude in our relationship. Gratitude is the feeling of acceptance for those who have made efforts for my excellence. Today, we find that generally what we call as gratitude is a feeling coming out of assistance at the level of physical facilities. This feeling is short lived since the happiness we get from the right understanding is permanent. Gratitude is an emotion that occurs after people receive help, depending on how they interpret the situation. Especially, gratitude is experienced of people perceive the help they receive as A. Valuable to them, B. Costly to their benefactor, and C. Given by the benefactor with benevolent intentions. Thank you.